Tonight, leaders across McLennan County held a virtual town hall addressing the coronavirus pandemic and its effects on the black community. Fox 44's Kendall Green spoke with organizers of the forum and listened in. Kendall, why is this forum important tonight?
Well, Adam, people of color so far account for 2 out of every 3 COVID-19 related deaths in McLennan County. The community leaders spearheading the webinar tonight say if those stats doesn't hit close to home for anyone, it hits close to home for them. According to Waco McLennan County Public Health District stats, blacks make up 1/3 of COVID-19 deaths countywide, a statistic many find shocking.
It sucks. I mean, and it's scary, I guess.
That's kind of, yeah, that's bad.
They should take it more serious than what they are.
The most recent report shows that 5 COVID-related deaths were African American, 7 were Hispanics, and 3 were Caucasian. Philip Perry, the principal of G.W. Carver Middle School, was the first coronavirus death countywide back in late March. And today, more than 3 months later,
we had our 15th death today, and that woman, African American woman, was 41 years old. That if it doesn't hit home to anybody, it hits home to me.
Hitting home so much so that Councilwoman Andrea Bearfield and leaders across the community set up a virtual town hall to discuss the impact COVID-19 has had on the black community and address some of the elements that put the specific group at risk.
Deaths in black and brown communities are higher across the country than they are in Anglo. I mean, that's pre-existing conditions. That's, economic deterrence. I mean, there's so many things that impact the level of how and why people have access to healthcare, and all of those things are compounded in black and brown communities.
She says it was important to get information out to people through trusted and established voices in the community, like herself and Commissioner Patricia Miller and NAACP President Dr. Peaches Henry. Since the virus is spreading throughout Waco and McLennan County at an alarming rate, where at last check there were more than 2,000 active cases.
I want them to have more information. I want them to know where resources are. I want them to know that we are not going to stop speaking to the needs of our communities, making sure that our communities have as much information as they can get.
Now, the community leaders tonight say as cases continue to rise, so does the importance of access to information. Adam?